Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see in this video we are going to fix Google Chrome keeps on crashing whenever you are trying to open on Google Chrome, doesn't open and it gets crashing again and again. Let's fix that guys. Google Chrome crashing on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Go to search menu and type File Explorer. Open it. Go to this PC, left side, go to local disk C, go to program files. We need to search for Google's Pro. I'm having in tab of this folder. Go to Google and this PC, local disk, program files, Google. You need to select Chrome, and now you go to applications, and now you get Chrome exe. You want to right click on this. We need to click on rename option over here, or you need to click on show more option. Click on it and you get rename. Now before dot, don't go after dot. Before dot, anything you need to add, I am adding one. You can also add it one guys. After that, just click on it and you can easily open it guys. If you want to create a shortcut for easy access in desktop, right click on it and show more option and send to not create shortcut. Click on it and that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. If it's not working, you need to reinstall the Chrome guys. That's sorry about that. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.